So now let's look at the cost side of things. So as you saw on the resilience side, there are times when you are actually tramping over cost, like maybe over provisioning and paying more because you want to be resilient. So there are a couple of ways you can minimize cost when it comes to your actual EC2 instances. First is to utilize managed services. In that way, you minimize the amount of work that needs to be done, which means on your side you also don't really need to have a huge team of people dealing with underlying instances, dealing with operating system and things like that. You can actually utilize some of the managed services in dealing with day-to-day work. You can also utilize savings plans and reserve instances. I'm not sure if you are aware of this. Most of the time when you spin up an instance, it is an on-demand instance. If you are going to run your instance for 1 year, the whole entire 1 year, or potentially for 3 years, you can actually get a discount of somewhere between 60% to about 80% discount by utilizing reserve instances. So think of this as a contract. So you are signing up a contract with AWS to say, I want to run my instance for 1 year. So in that contract, you can decide to say, I want to pay the whole entire amount of my instance upfront, which is like an upfront cost. Or you can say, I want to pay, a portion upfront, so you can pay like a portion upfront and pay the rest monthly. Or you can just say, I want to pay monthly. So what is the difference with on-demand instances? This means that you are signing up a contract, whether you are running the instance or you are not running the instance. You have signed a contract that you are going to be having a running instance for 2 years. Or sorry, for 1 year or for 3 years. It only runs for those years. 1 year or for 3 years. Not more, not less, not in between. So if you're planning to run instances in that number of years, you can sign up for savings plans and also for reserve instances, allow you to save a lot of money, 60% to about 80%. The other one here is sizing up your nodes correctly. You want to make sure that you don't spin up a very huge node, whereas you are just running a pod which occupies a very small space inside it. So you'll be wasting money. If you have workloads that can survive being disrupted by instance being taken away because they are spot instances, usually this service, the spot instances, you can save up to 90% as compared to on-demand instances. Okay. In case you cannot save anything, how about you just tag your resources accordingly so that at least you know who's eating up your budget.